Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to track time in Trello quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the Trello website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your boards and settings. Next, navigate to the Trello board where you want to track time. This is important because the time tracking feature will be added to a specific board. At the top right of your board, click the Power Ups tab. This is where you can add extra tools to enhance your Trello experience. In the search bar, type Activity. From the results, select the activity Power Up and click Add. You may need to click a second Add button at the bottom to fully integrate it. Once the Power Up is active, you'll see a clock icon on your board indicating that time tracking is ready to use. Now open any card on your board. You'll find a time starter at the bottom left of the card. Click Start when you begin a task and stop when you finish. This allows you to track the time spent on each task, helping you manage your projects more efficiently. And that's it. You're now ready to track time effectively in Trello. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.